Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to FJ Media. Tuliwaambia hapo kwa wale waje subscribe, hapo ndo mnapiga subscription kwa sababu tuliwaambia hapo ndo news zitakuwa zinakuja daily moto moto. So kwa wale waje subscribe kwa FJ Media, tunawaambia msubscribe. Leo tuko na wachambuzi wa masiasa wanachambua kweli kweli. So tuko na Cliff na tuko na Professor. Leo kizungu hapa ile kama unajua wewe hujasoma kizungu, mambo leo hapa ni noma. So Cliff, unaweza salimia watu alafu tuingie kwa Professor kidogo, alafu ndo tuendelee na mjadala ya leo.
Kwa majina naitwa Cliff Odera, mwanabiashara Mwindi Bingu.
My name is wakili Professor Nelson Omusi. Mchangamuzi wa siasa katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Na vile vile pia
Yes.
I'm also a lawyer. Certificate yangu ni 2. Kama hiyo.
So bwana Cliff, tuliwaambia bench Friday itakuwa moto moto, na hapa ndo tuliwaambia tuwabagui, kila mtu anafanywa msasa kwa FJ Media. So bwana Cliff, bwana Professor, tunaanza na wewe leo. Hii mambo ya impeachment ya Gachagua tumeona imetia joto nchi, na tuliona umesikia ukisema hapo pia mambo ya uwakili, unaelewa terminology zile zinatumika pale kotini, sisi zinatulemea kidogo. Wewe hii kesi ya Gachagua unaona huyu mtu atasurvive ama iko vipi?
You know, in politics, it's all about interest. And you see, as Gachagua itself, now the impeachment process has qualified to the Senate. MP, he has gone to High Court for this issue of impeachment. So I want to say, Gachagua himself, he is out of power. And
Really?
He is out of power. For now, Gachagua is nowhere to be seen. Actually, as a political scientist, what I see Gachagua, he has extravaganza is too high to his boss, who is the president, Dr. William Samoei Ruto.
Yes.
And you know, in politics,
Yes.
you should be very humble.
Yes. Well, Gachagua is not humble.
Gachagua is not humble to his boss. How can you knock to your boss the table like this, like a little kid?
Was it a propaganda it was, or it was? It was real.
It's something real. Gachagua is very high, and in politics you should cool down your boys, and you see the political dynamics, issues countrywide, and you should maintain into no pace to your boys. That's
Professor.
what I can say. Yeah.
Wewe umesikia ni Professor. So Cliff, ukiongezea kwa hiyo mambo ya Professor vile anasema, how can you say about hii mambo Professor anasema? What can you add to the Professor? Kwa sababu hapa leo tuliona ni lugha ya kimombo ndio inatiririka. Hapa leo ni noma. Bench Friday inakuwa ni stigma.
Kitu ya kwanza ile tutasema vile tu Professor amesema, impeachment is a political process. Na in the two houses,
Yes,
Parliament na Senate, ambayo tunaita kama the upper house, Gachagua amekuwa impeached.
yes.
Sasa mambo iko kotini. Nikiangalia vile iko koti, Gachagua na wakili wake, what they are doing is delaying tactics. They have only dealt on technicalities.
Yes.
Hawajaenda kwa issue yenyewe. Kesi ijaanza because Gachagua is questioning about the bench.
Yes.
Wakimaliza issue ya bench, Gachagua na question about the judges. Kwa wengine wana urafiki na mawakili.
After that tunasikia pia anaanza mambo ya appointments ya zile watu wamepewa, watu wanasema ukikuwa, if you are related with the judges they are blaming the appointments. So this case, how can you say it will end? Because next week, I think the next week they have set a hearing date. So they want to conclude this matter very urgently, because you know the matter was filed in a certificate of matter of urgency. So, Bwana Professor, what is your opinion if you were to tell the senior counsel of Gachagua?
My opinion as a wakili, also as a professor,
Mm-hmm.
I would like to tell the Gachagua his lawyers, they're just eating his money. They're using his money for nothing. Eh? So Gachagua is nowhere to be seen at this particular time.
Because I have seen even there is a lawyer in 207's case. The lawyer which was referring us, they were 6. You know, he is there representing Gachagua.
Yeah.
He was asked with, if I may not forget, he was asked about the lawyer of, he was asked with Smoking Wanjala, if you have 6 ballot boxes, you vote for the president.
That was 2013.
That was 2013.
2017.
So this lawyer, I saw him representing Gachagua. How sure are we is going to win this case? Because he was asked even simple question. These people were 6. How can these people, and you have 5 votes? How can you vote? So, Bwana Wakili, regarding Gachagua, is he in dilemma?
Obviously, in a dilemma. Is in his political dilemma, simply because he has said his lawyers, they are just enjoying him and using his resources for nothing, and whereby when the Senate it has done the impeachment process, the parliament it has done the impeachment process.
Yes.
You cannot tell me as a wakili, wakili has no power than the president. Wakili, president of the state of the nation, he has power more than wakili. Maybe, let me say, it's like Daktari, His Excellency, the Right Honorable William Samoei Ruto. He has talked to the wakilis of Gachagua, and they've given them some tokenism. Leave alone Gachagua. Even those lawyers, they've been given tokenism to show that this the High Court cannot proceed to say that Gachagua has not been impeached, but Gachagua has gone home. Watu waache pilka mingi ati Gachagua is going back to be the deputy president. It can't be like that. It can't be like that. Yama as an ODM member and a live member of ODM and as in your coalition. Now we are in our political process. We have joined the Ruto's government. And us as the ODM people, we want to say that Gachagua is not going anywhere. He's out from the power.
So, Bwana Cliff, leo you know you have the professor. Leo tuko na mambo kizungumkuti. So, wakili. So, hii mambo vile nimeona mimi, hii mjadala nimeona vile imepelekwa. Nimeona hii mawakili apart from delaying tactics. Nimeona wanasema tena hawana imani na wale majaji wameteuliwa wafanye hii kesi. Unaweza sema ni kwa nini? Because tunaona wana come up with different styles. Hii ikimaliziwa wanakuja na hii. Hii ikimaliziwa wanakuja na hii. Hii kesi huu mtu unaona hii kesi itaisha hii mwezi ama hii kesi itaisha next year?
Okay. Hii kesi lazima ishe hii mwezi. Probably next week tutakuwa tuna finalize hii kesi kulingana na the pronouncement of the judges. Judge washaamua na wameweka timeline ya kila kitu. Kumaanisha before the end of next week tutakuwa tumemaliza hiyo kesi. Kitu timu ya Gachagua itakuwa nayo either kama wame lose ni kuappeal. Any team that ita lose at this stage unajua lazima itaenda court of appeal.
So wakienda court of appeal, will it be delayed again this matter ama bado deputy president atakuwa bado hajaapishwa? So will it be a continuous game in the court? Because if they again go to the Supreme Court, court of appeal, after court of appeal definitely they may go to Supreme Court. So it will be a dilly-dally game, or what can you say about these people?
The law must be followed. And what we are waiting or depending on is the court.
Yes.
We must give the court a chance.
Yes.
It's only the courts
Yes.
that can say if Kindiki is going to be sworn in.
Yes.
Or if Kindiki is going to wait
Yes.
until the court cases are finalized.
Yes.
So that is a matter of, with the court. I cannot talk about that. That is for the judges to decide.
Because for now, even me, I'm confused because I don't know even who is the deputy president of this republic. Are these people trying, as people are saying, are these people trying to say that we are going to be we are in a constitutional crisis? Because if you don't have a deputy president and the matter was to be heard it was be heard very urgent, it has not been concluded in the courts. How can you tell us these people are saying this, we are in a constitutional crisis because we don't have a deputy president?
As I said before,
yes,
in an earlier interview, we don't have any constitutional crisis. The courts have come out clear, and Gachagua is our deputy president until the order that stopped Kindiki to be sworn in.
As it stands, Rigathi Gachagua is the deputy president.
Until the order that is barring Kindiki to be sworn in is lifted.
So there was an order which was barring Kindiki Kithure from sworn in to sworn in to be sworn in, and that order it was supposed to elapse yesterday. So the order has already elapsed by yesterday. So and today we have not seen the courts granting another order to extend that order.
The courts have not granted an order, but the judges have come out clearly that they'll talk about that next week, Monday.
Next week, Monday.
As for now, the status quo remains.
Oh, as for now, the status quo remains. So, Bwana Wakili, before we close the show, what can you say about FJ Media for those people who have not subscribed to FJ Media?
Next year, the people, they should subscribe FJ Media. Everything is on top level. These guys are want to make sure that FJ Media goes into the high international media. FJ Media, just go to your YouTube and click the link. FJ Media, top level.
So, Bwana Cliff, for those people who have not subscribed to FJ Media, what can you tell them about FJ Media?
Okay. FJ Media is the place to be, and it's the place to get the correct and accurate news. Please subscribe to FJ Media.
So, for those who have not subscribed to FJ Media, please share, subscribe, and join and touch the bell. God love you. God bless. Tunawapenda sana. Inshallah.